everyone. Do you think being an air hostess is glamorous? Like traveling the world, smiling, wearing a nice uniform? Yes, that is part of it. But there is something you don't see. Very early mornings, long hours, tired feet, and sometimes crazy passengers. Today, I will tell you my real daily routine, step by step. It's simple, honest, and maybe a little surprising. So, stay with me. My day usually starts very early. Sometimes 4 a.m. Yes, 4. Not a joke. When my alarm rings, I feel like, just 5 more minutes. But no, I have to wake up. I sit up slowly, stretch my arms, and take a deep breath. Then I say, "Okay, Emma, let's go." First, I drink a glass of water. Then, I go to the bathroom, wash my face, brush my teeth. Very normal, just like you. After that, I start getting ready. As an air hostess, appearance is important. So I do light makeup. Nothing too heavy. Just clean, fresh, natural. Sometimes I look in the mirror and say, "Wow, you look awake." But inside, you are still sleeping. Then I fix my hair. It must be neat, tidy, and professional. After that, I wear my uniform. Every time I wear it, I feel a little proud. Like, yes, I am ready to fly today. Breakfast is quick. Always quick. Maybe a banana, or toast, or just coffee. Sometimes I don't feel hungry, but I still try to eat something because long flights need energy. I sit quietly, drink my coffee, and check my phone. Messages, flight details, weather updates. Sometimes my friend texts me, "Emma, you're flying again today?" And I reply, "Of course. Always flying." Then I leave my home. The city is still quiet, dark, peaceful. I take a taxi to the airport. In the car, I usually look outside the window. The streets, the lights, the early morning sky. It feels calm. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I just sit in silence. And sometimes I almost fall asleep again. When I reach the airport, the real work begins. First, I meet my team, other air hostesses and the cabin crew. We smile and say, "Good morning." Even if we feel tired, we still smile. Then we have a briefing. In the briefing, we talk about the flight, the passengers, safety rules. The senior crew member gives instructions. We listen carefully. Sometimes I feel nervous, but I remind myself, you can do this. Now it's time to welcome passengers. We stand at the aircraft door and we smile. Always smile. "Hello, welcome. Good morning. Please come in." Some passengers smile back. Some look tired. Some are busy with their phones. And some ask many questions. Sometimes a passenger brings too much luggage, and I say politely, "Sorry, this is too big." Inside, I think, why do you carry your whole house? When the flight starts, we get busy. Very busy. We serve food, drinks, snacks, tea or coffee, water or juice. We walk up and down, again and again. My feet sometimes hurt, but I keep smiling. Sometimes passengers are very kind. That makes me happy. But sometimes things are difficult. A passenger might be angry, or upset, or scared of flying. Then I speak softly. It's okay. You are safe. I try to help them feel calm. There are also funny moments. One time, a passenger asked me, "Can you open the window?" I smiled and said, "Sir, we are at 35,000 feet. He looked surprised. Then we both laughed. Another time, someone pressed the call button. I went quickly and asked, "Yes, how can I help you?" And he said, "Oh, I pressed it by mistake." I smiled, but inside I thought, okay, cardio exercise for me. Finally, the plane lands. We feel relieved. We say goodbye to passengers. Thank you. Have a nice day. Then, we clean up the cabin. Check everything. Make sure nothing is left behind. After that, we leave the aircraft. Sometimes, I feel very tired. Like no energy at all. But also, I feel proud. Because I did my job well. Sometimes, I stay in a hotel. Sometimes, I go home. If I stay in a hotel, I take a shower, sit on the bed, and just relax. No talking, no smiling, just quiet time. Sometimes I order food and eat while watching TV. Very simple, very peaceful. People think this job is easy, but it is not. It needs patience, energy, kindness, and a lot of smiling. But I like it, because every day is different. Every flight, new people, new stories, and sometimes beautiful skies. Sunrise above the clouds. That moment is magical. So, that is my daily routine as an air hostess. Simple, busy, sometimes tiring, but also special. Tell me, what is your daily routine? Do you wake up early or late? Write in the comments. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!